Download Mandalion Chinese. Use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.
Let's take a look at the difference between 晚上好 and 晚安. 晚上好 and 晚安 are both said during the night time because 晚 means evening or night. However, they each have different meanings and are used in different situations. 晚上好 means good evening. It is used to greet someone that you meet in the evening or night. This can be used in place of 你好. 晚安, on the other hand, means good night. It is not used as a greeting. It is typically said at night before one is about to go to bed. It can be used to signal one's desire to go to bed and or to close a conversation for the night. 晚安 is also used to wish someone a restful and peaceful night's sleep. 晚上好 and 晚安 cannot be used interchangeably with each other because 晚上好 is a greeting, while 晚安 is used as a well wish before bedtime.
Download Mandalion Chinese. Use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.